In the UK, we have 34 million cars. The global figure is, depending upon where you read, anywhere from 1 billion to 2 billion cars. And that represents a massive problem. What are we going to do with those cars as we go to carbon zero? We need to convert those cars to electric. With the classic car, the journey itself becomes an adventure. People are keen to have them. People are keen to see them. People who own classic cars, there's a degree of emotion around their ownership. They own that car and they drive it because they love it. It's easy for them to say, you know what I would really love is my beloved car, but it's electric.